10, 9, 8, 7, 6, 5, 4, 3, 2, 1.
Kick that bass.
Let's do it now.
Getting ready to tear the Audiopipe Blazer apart for a complete rebuild. So I figured I can't do it without giving one last listen to it with this particular setup with the parallel 6 order on the 8 BD12s on the 4 Audiopipe 4Ks. So I figured I can't do it without listening to it one last time. So let's just do it and let's play it.
Take me up and show me the balcony looking over the Hollywood Valley. I'll make your balloon pop.
And that's it. We're going to tear it apart and see if we can't make this thing louder and more impressive. Prove to people that Audiopipe can be competed with, or not competed with, but Audiopipe is something that can compete with these other brands. This is Audiopipe. Stay tuned for my complete deconstruction videos and complete rebuild videos. I plan on making a whole series of this on my YouTube channel. Stay tuned.